Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by setting conditions that reduce work for the AC immediately. Set the thermostat to 24-26 degrees C and program setbacks for times you're away. While the unit runs, seal gaps around doors and windows and close curtains to block solar gain. This lowers heat load, so the compressor cycles less. Once done, open the filter panel and clean or replace the filter now, because restricted airflow makes the system run harder and waste energy. Now optimize how the system delivers cool air so efficiency improves. Use the fan mode and swing louvers to distribute conditioned air evenly. This reduces thermostat overshooting and compressor runtime. If your unit has an eco or compressor limiter setting, enable it to soften peak draws and save electricity. Also inspect ductwork for leaks and add insulation where needed, and make sure the outdoor unit has 0.51 m of clearance for airflow. Reduced airflow finish by integrating small habits that maintain savings over time. Use ceiling fans so you can raise the thermostat to 3 degrees without sacrificing comfort. Each degree saves energy. Schedule annual professional maintenance and a refrigerant check to keep performance high. If the unit still underperforms, first make sure breakers and disconnects are intact, then inspect the start capacitor and thermostat sensor location. These common issues cause long run times. If uncertain, call a technician to avoid damaging the system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.